Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my December 2022 Kinder Beauty Box unboxing. So this is a relatively new beauty subscription box to me, but what's fun about this is that all of the products are clean, vegan, and cruelty-free. So I signed up for a 6-month subscription and I think this is my 3rd month into it. And so far it's been a fun subscription because you get such a range of products. So I'm really excited to get into this month's box. But before I do, I want to also let you know that they were nice enough to give me a discount code. This is not a sponsored video. They don't send me the products for free, but they did give me the code GET50CHRISTYB, which gets you 50% off your first box when you sign up. And so when I signed up for the 6-month subscription, I believe this comes out to $23 a month. And I love that this is a charitable company, so some of the proceeds go towards animal and environmental organizations. So I love that. I love my rescued animals. So you can just feel good about supporting this company and this subscription box. So let's go ahead and get into it. So we've got some product information here. Oh, and first things first, we've got a beauty sponge. I believe I have tried out this brand before. It's called UV, and it's 99% bacteria free. Ooh, this is such a pretty color. And I love the shape of it. And it's about time I change out my beauty sponge. So yeah, if you're not familiar with my channel, I have a series here where I try out a new makeup product every day. So any makeup products that I get in this subscription box or any of my other many beauty subscription boxes that I subscribe to, I just try out those makeup products in full dedicated videos rather than swatching them and testing them out in my unboxing videos. So if you like makeup reviews, beauty subscription unboxing, then you are in the right place, and I would love for you to subscribe to my channel because that is what I am all about these days. But okay, let's see what else is in here. Ooh, actually here is another makeup product from Aether Beauty, which is such a great makeup brand. And this is the Big Bang Mascara, and I actually have already tried this out on my YouTube channel, so I'll have that video linked in the description down below so that you can see that full dedicated review video on this mascara. Beautifully packaged. Oh, and I forgot to tell you retail values. The mascara is not even on the product information sheet, but the UV Beauty Helio Antimicrobial Blender is a $19.99 value. Next, we've got, and by the way, I will also have my full dedicated review video that I've already done on the UV Beauty sponges in the description down below. So gosh, the first 2 products that I've pulled out, I've already tried before, and they're not like my favorite products, but it is great, you know, that they are clean, vegan, cruelty-free options if you're looking for that. Okay, but yes, I just pulled out this glass jar from the brand Flower Mill, and it's Balm Shell Multitasking Beauty Balm. Ooh, that sounds really nice. Okay. Ooh. It has a very nice natural kind of fruity smell. And a very solid balm texture, more solid than I was expecting. So it's a true all-in-one cleanser and makeup remover. The balm shell is designed to clean pores without stripping or drying out your skin, leaving your skin hydrated and glowy. Wow, I did not expect this to be a cleanser. Here I am trying to put a little on my dry hands. Seems a little difficult to use as a cleanser because of how solid it is. But I guess you literally have to like scrape and scoop it out, and it'll melt into your skin and remove makeup. But okay, so the multitasking balm melts into skin, removing makeup, excess oil, and other impurities left over from your busy day. It also works wonders as a hydrating mask or under eye cream. Mango and shea butter deeply hydrate, while vitamin C, rich essential oils help to brighten your complexion. Okay, so you can also use this as a hydrating mask. Wow. Seriously, so multitasking. That is very impressive. I feel like I've never had a product before that can also be my cleanser, my eye cream, my overnight mask. So that's pretty cool. And the Flour Mill Balm Shell is a $32 value. Next up, oh, I know this brand, Nomad Cosmetics. They do make beautiful eyeshadows. And this is America's Parks Teton Range. Let's see what this looks like. Intense eyeshadow. This packaging brings me back. I have tried out little singles from Nomad before. Ooh, this looks really pretty because it's like a pink and brown kind of marbled effect with shimmery, maybe like gold on top. A very unique and beautiful looking shade. That's going to be really fun to play around with. And lastly, we've got a sheet mask. This is Anti-Acne Sheet Mask. Intensive Blemish Treatment and Preventative Treatment Mask. Ooh. I am so grateful that I do not struggle with acne anymore, so I will maybe gift this to someone who will be able to get better use out of it than me. But okay, this month's box is, well, so where I got the Aether Beauty Mascara, the product card says Zion Health Cleansing Scalp Scrub, which I did not get, but I would have been excited to get a scalp scrub because I do use a scalp scrub pretty much every time I wash my hair. It's part of my hair wash routine, so I would have liked to try that. Do a quick recap. The Aether Beauty Mascara, the UV Beauty Sponge, the Nomad Cosmetics Eyeshadow, the Flour Mill Balm Shell Multitasking Beauty Balm, and the 100% Pure Anti-Acne Sheet Mask. Oh, I forgot to say the retail value of the 100% Pure, which I guess that's the brand, Anti-Acne Sheet Mask is $7. So I'm not super blown away by this box. And it's not like Kinder Beauty would know that I have tried out some of these products before. So it's okay. It's a nice mix of products. I do like that this is a little bit more makeup product heavy versus skincare, self-care, hair care. But nothing in here is super exciting and super wow to me. But if you've tried any of these products, let me know in the comments down below what you think of them. And as always, thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.